Good morning. My name is Kendall Parks, a meteorologist here at the National Weather Service, and this is your weekly weather briefing for the week of August 28th, 2023. So our main highlights for this week are brief chances for dangerous heat before short-term relief with rain and storm chances. Potential for wildfires will continue due to hot and dry conditions, and the tropics being more active as we move into the peak season. Okay, with significant heat stress, we have a hazard out for today. We could end up reaching peak heating before rain chances move in the later part of the day. So that is why we have this hazard out, where temperatures are expected to reach upwards of 95 degrees in the southeastern parts of our CWA. But if rains and storms start before peak heating, then it'll probably wash it out and not hit those high temperatures that we're expecting. But we still have a elevated and limited out for today. So our dangerous wildfire conditions will continue today too. Still dry and hot and humid conditions. We had some rain yesterday, but it wasn't enough for vegetation to totally recover from the drought that's been going on. So burn bans are still in effect for much of southern Mississippi as well as the entire state of Louisiana. Heed local burn bans and check if you're in a county with burn bans. So our weekly forecast for this week, we're expecting some rain chances to end tomorrow before returning to hot and dry conditions during the later part of this week, going into the weekend. For the latter part of this week, we can expect to see lower dew points, so that would come with less humidity and increased fire danger. So from last week, continue with the trend of hot and humid conditions. We did reach a record high temperature of 107 at Hattiesburg, which was expected. So our drought situation, as I said before, we haven't had much rain over the past week. We did get about an inch to inch and a quarter in some areas over the past 24 hours, but it's not much in lieu of the drought that's happened for much of the month. In our weekly outlook, we're expecting to see 1 inch to 2 inches in some areas of rainfall coming from these spotty showers. In the latter part of the week, we could expect to see some more spotty showers around that Friday to Saturday area, but today and tomorrow we expect to see no more showers just because of some of the impacts from up front. With the tropical outlook, we're not expecting to see any impacts from tropical storm Idala. The most we can see is some stronger wind gusts, but most of that will be centered to our east, as it's going to expect it to hit the Florida Panhandle nearing Tuesday going into Wednesday, or Tuesday night going into Wednesday. In summary, dangerous heat will redevelop during the latter parts of this week. Burn bans are still in effect as fire danger remains very high. The tropics are much more active as we head into peak season, but as of now, no impacts are expected from tropical weather at this time. And always remember, briefings are usually conducted Mondays and sometimes Thursdays if we have weather going on. Thank you for viewing. This has been your weekly weather briefing from NWS Jackson.